Hi everyone, it's me Jennifer, and I received another birthday gift and I can't wait to share it with you. I got it from Stephanie Groom, and I'd really like to thank Stephanie. So she is such a sweetheart. She sent me this lovely, amazing tote bag. I am in love with it. Look at the print, it's awesome sauce, and it's all the way around. It is a box bottom. I love this tote bag. Look at this. This is so amazeballs. And you open it up, and it's got pockets over here, slip-in pockets, and on the other side it has a zippy pocket over here, which is amazing, a zippy pocket. And to go with it, which is super cool, she sent me this notions pouch to go with it. Always be yourself unless you can be a frog. Then always be a frog. And it's on both sides. And I love this. This is super cute. And of course, it has boxed bottom as well. This is super, super cute. Absolutely love this. And it obviously fits in perfectly. And I can put all kinds of stuff in here. As you can see, I have the gift bags in there. I can put tons and tons of stuff in this bag. Holy moly. So I absolutely love this. It's soft and squishy, and I love the bag. Thank you so much, Stephanie. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, what a surprise when my son went to my post office box and went and got it for me. I am in love with the bag. I'll be carrying it around everywhere. Just saying. Pardon me. I can't wait to be carrying this around everywhere I go. So I love this. And yes, I'm going to stuff it full of yarn. Just so y'all know. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys love it as much as I do, because this is so me. Thank you so much, Stephanie. I do love it. I love every bit of this. This is awesome. So, thank you guys. Thank you, Stephanie. And thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Please stay safe. Be kind to one another. And as always, happy yarning. Bye now.